My name is Bryant Fitts. I'm a lawyer in Houston, Texas, and I'm here today to talk about unpaid overtime in the oil field. Typically, anybody who works more than 40 hours a week in the oil field must be paid overtime. Many companies do pay overtime and some don't. So if you're working in the oil field and you're working more than 40 hours a week and you're not getting time and a half, you need to contact a lawyer to protect your rights and get paid what you should have been paid in the first place. The way companies sneak around this rule is sometimes they will require you to show up in advance of your shift for a certain period of time and then clock in. If they require you to show up before you're supposed to start work and then clock in, you're supposed to be paid for that time you were there. Furthermore, if they require you to clean up once you're off the clock and do things like that, they should pay you for that time as well. The federal law has many protective measures to help employees in these situations. Number one, when you successfully recover your unpaid overtime, you're also entitled to penalties and interest on the money. So even if you're owed $5,000 in overtime, you may be entitled to $25,000 or $20,000. It all depends on the circumstances of your situation. I would recommend that you contact a lawyer immediately to discuss your situation to see what claims you may have. Now, many people are worried that they're going to be retaliated against if they file a claim for unpaid overtime. The federal law protects that as well. So if you're worried about retaliation, I would not be. Typically, you are not retaliated, and once you do make your claim, everybody else that has the same job as you that was also not getting paid unpaid overtime, they're going to make a claim as well. So retaliation, although it's a real fear, I don't think that it actually happens in the real world, and as long as we've been doing this, we haven't seen it. If they were to retaliate against you, you would have even a better claim from the employment context. But again, this purpose of this video is to explain that retaliation is a fear, but typically does not occur. Now, how do you do this? You typically need to hire a lawyer to help you. Well, how do you hire a lawyer if you don't have any money to do it? Well, the federal law requires the employers to pay the attorney's fees of the employees who have to seek their unpaid overtime wages. So if you contact a lawyer, and you can contact my office, we'll review your case for free, and if you hire us to take your case, we will advance our fees and our expenses in advance. So we don't have to pay a dime unless there's a recovery. So if you believe you're working more than 40 hours a week in the oil field and not getting paid time and a half or overtime, please contact us at 1-800-99-FITS or contact us on the website contact form. Now, if you have a general question about unpaid overtime, please add that question to the comments below. Thank you.